Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows detected a hard disk problem in Windows. Type gpedit.msc in Windows search bar, click gpedit.msc. Click and expand Administrative Templates under Computer Configuration. Open Disk Diagnostic Configure Execution Level, check Disabled, click Apply, click OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.